Yeah. Hi friends, today we are going to show this helicopter, how to fly helicopter and the movement of this helicopter. It is the first time, so it will be many mistakes. That's not a problem. So let's go to the video. The remote has many many switches, and this is the helicopter. It has many wings, and when we fly it, this make the helicopter go forward and backward. So let's try to fly it. So let's go. This is the remote. There is many options, and I don't know what is this lights, left and right, and forward and backward, and this is the making the helicopter go up and down. So let's go. This is the switch for on and off. Let's on it. There's no light here. Let's on this one. So for owning this, we can put this off button to on. Then we cannot fly like this. First we have to put this signal on. Then here on button, put like this. Yeah.